Hi everybody, this is Professor Wes. Welcome back. We're still working with Alice. In this video, we're going to mess around with the camera some. So, if you followed along with the last one, then you at least have this much done. And this one, all we did was set it up so that we can move our rover around and turn it and so forth. So now I'm going to show you how to do some stuff with the cameras. So let's make sure your initialized event listener is up. And by default, there was one called My First Method. This is the first method. We never actually put anything into it yet, in this case, but that's okay. So come over here to the bottom, or to just beneath the Mars, and click. And you see several options. One of them is the camera. Go ahead and click on that camera. And it depends on how yours is set up. So yours may be up here by the top, it may be down further. We want this one that says Set Vehicle. And we're just going to grab it and we're going to drag it right up here with My First Method. Just anywhere in here. And it really doesn't matter what we pick. I'll just pick this camera for now. It doesn't matter what we pick because we're going to fix it in just a second. So now we're going to choose, it says this camera, set vehicle, and we're going to choose this last thing here, and we're going to set it as the rover. And what that means is, until we tell it differently, wherever this rover goes, the camera is going to stay right here with it. So as we're driving along, we're going to turn. So we're always pretty much staying behind the rover at this point. I would like to point out that even though it says set vehicle, that's not talking about an actual vehicle like a car. That's talking about how this camera, or what this camera is going to be linked to. I could have linked it to a person, I could have linked it to a tree, anything I want. It would still be setting the vehicle to be the tree or the boulder or whatever. This is pretty important because it's not just cameras that can be linked. You can link anything. I could link a person to this car. I can have my person walk over to this car, and then where I drive the car, the person goes to. But just by setting the vehicle of the person to the Red Rover. Same way we did the cameras. So there's actually a lot you can do with this. And then as I would turn and drive and so forth, the person or whatever would be moving with me. In a previous video, I showed you how to have two characters that were talking and have the camera zoom in on each one as they were talking using different cameras. Having it follow you around is just another way that you can add more flexibility to your program. So I hope you're enjoying, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.